Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking with Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a caramelized onion. First I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. So let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. So 1 large of onion, 1.5 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of butter. So you can use the oil instead of butter too, that's fine, but if you want a more flavor, so you better to have a butter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice the onion first. We'll go with that. When you slice the onion, you make sure you cut the onion evenly. So every single slice needs to be equal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the core off. So I can cut the core off like that. Make sure you don't cut very thinly, otherwise it's gonna be mashy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut a little bit thick. So you make sure you separate the onion before you caramelize it, because so every single onion needs to be cooked evenly. So my pan is ready over there. So let's see how we caramelize the onion. First of all, we're gonna put the 1.5 the butter. We're gonna melt the butter. You make sure you use the hot pan. Make sure you give a little stir up and do not burn the butter. Then you're gonna add the brown sugar. After you add the brown sugar, give a little bit stir, a little mix. So now you're gonna add your onion. So you mix it properly. So make sure you mix it all the time, otherwise one part's gonna be burned, the one part's gonna be cooked. See this golden brown color? That it's supposed to be, it's getting there. We're gonna add the balsamic vinegar at last, so it's gonna give you a nice flavor, different color, nice texture. So it's gonna be absolutely beautiful. Now it's perfect time to put the balsamic vinegar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the balsamic vinegar. Oh wow, that sizzling sound, so it's really nice. Look at it, smell nice. The smell of the balsamic vinegar, perfect. See the difference, the instant color change that it's supposed to be. The flavors there, let it cook to suck the flavor to the onion. It's nicely cooked now. It's time to serve up now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out from the pan now. So I have made the chipolata, 3 chipolata with the bread. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place the caramelized onion in the chipolata on the top of it. So, oh wow. Hi guys, that's how we're doing the caramelized onion. I use the chipolata to eat it with. You can use the caramelized onion for beef burger or sandwich, just onion sandwich, or you want to have a nice breakfast. It's up to you, whatever you want to use it. So that's how we do the caramelized onion. So now I'm going to taste how it tastes like. Taste the onion. Wow. Wow, it's really nice. Look, the flavor of the balsamic vinegar, flavor of the brown sugar and the butter too. It's really nice. The balance of flavor, it's absolutely beautiful. So guys, that's how we do the caramelized onion. Thanks guys, thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me Cooking with the Brown Chef. That's how we do the caramelized onion. So I hope you really enjoy it. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye, thanks.